Hello, Namaste and Kulumbai. Today we are here to experience something really extraordinary, yet that is familiar with every one of us. Each one of us in this world could relate to it. What could be more relatable than music that each one of us speaks? That is a language that is for all of us. Today we find ourselves in Mongol Bar, which is situated in Titaguri, KOKRAJHAR, the heart of BODOLAND. And you must be wondering why. It's because we are here to celebrate the extraordinary talents of our own locality, such as Biraj, Sarji Suma, Tortingo, and the Himalayan Project, and many such other artists will be here. The event, my dear friends, is aptly named as EYETRIBE VERSE, electrifying celebration of local musical talents. And let's make it more precise that it's not just a simple concert, but it's a celebration, it's a journey into the heartbeat of the community. Why? Because it's also a movement. It's a shout out to the vocal for local. So let's grab our seats. Oh, better be dancing because the event is going to be a truly electrifying and truly enjoyable. And yeah, let's just put ourselves into the event and get through it. Easternparadigm, and so how do you feel having come here and you have performed such an amazing performance? So how do you feel? Because such events are rarely even held in KOKRAJHAR, and I think this is the first time they have held here. So how do you feel?
I feel great. I feel amazing. It's been been a great feeling. This is my first time performing here in KOKRAJHAR. I've been performing somewhere else, and after so many years, and there's been this lockdown and everything. This kind of show is happening for the first time in KOKRAJHAR. I think it's really great, and it's great for the artists as well as the public, because the public has been chasing festivals in Meghalaya, Nagaland, and other cities, but we haven't had our own festival kind of a thing. So this is just a beginning, I think, and maybe in coming years we can hope to see maybe some people from other cities as well coming here to attend the concert and everything. Yeah, but I think it's great. Yeah, and the vibe is amazing. The people are amazing, and it's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, I love it.
And after performing here, and after you have seen the vibe here and the response from the audience, how do you think? How much people love your music?
I think people, whoever is here, like all of them, they love music. That is why they're here. They paid a price to be here. And I think that's what I really appreciate about the people here, because, it's great for the artists as well, because they also have to get paid. And, the people are buying the tickets and everything because they love music. It's not that they are coming to have just some kind of fun or anything like that, because they love music. They want to see their local artists performing, and they want to hear their favorite songs as well. So that's why they bought a ticket, and it's really great. It's amazing. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this after maybe any 7 weekender. So yeah, the crowd is really good. It's very positive.
So what do you have to say about the music industry in KOKRAJHAR that will be growing into?
Okay, about the music industry, I think it's really great. We have some really great artists here. One of my favorite singer and artists is like Sarji Suma, Bosumutari, and Abhishek Boro. They are my favorite, and they are Biryazda, and they're the seniors. They created the whole trend about this Boro music thing, the modern music, infusion kind of thing, where there's the touch of Boro traditional and as well as the modern touch. So I think the music is really good, and the new artists that are coming up, they are also catching up with them, and they have their own unique styles. We have, I think, someone who will be rapping here tonight. I think that is the first time I will be hearing someone rap in Boro language. So yeah, that's good. Everything is good.
thank you so much for being here with us, and thank you for sharing your experience and how you feel about it, for your honest view and response. Thank you so much. Having been here and having performed, how do you feel?
I feel really good and really honored to come here actually, and among this many good musicians and great musicians we have here, and to be one of them I'm feeling good enough, and I think he has to say something.
Yeah, it was a good experience playing with MAMAI. I met him like 9 years ago. No?
9 years ago.
Yeah, we used to be like old friends, and now we played together. It was a good experience. For me, it's my first acoustic live session, I guess. And it was good. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
We know each other, but means we never collab like this before. And because of this EYETRIBE VERSE event, we got to know each other properly in terms of musicianship. We know we were friends, but as a musician, we became close in these few days. Yeah, it was really a great experience.
And what do you have to say about the vibe set in here?
The vibe, we as EYETRIBE VERSE, being one of the curators here, means we tried to create a really peaceful vibe and a really good looking and cool vibe, and although it's already winter, we were already looking only for a very peaceful vibes,
So do you think the audience have like a solely and wholly like been adaptable to the vibe?
I hope they adapted the vibe, because if they haven't, then I don't know, they are missing many interesting things, many enjoyable things. It's the moment we should enjoy, not the place, not the serenity. I don't know what to say, man.
Anyway, so you have created many beautiful songs which are like pleasant to hear, which are really calm but touches the heart. So what do you think about the music industry that we have held in BODOLAND or KOKRAJHAR, BTR, that how will it grow in the near future?
Oh, this one, it's a bit tricky, but though I want to say something on this, because we have been very long time, we have been working very much on this sector. Like we are trying to make a record level itself in our BODOLAND, but these ways and terms are really different. But before that, to say just in terms of music, or how will it grow? Your question was how will it grow, right? If you want to say in terms of economically, then I really don't have much idea. But in terms of musicianship, if you want to ask me, then our music will only grow as far as we musicians prefer to experiment on music and learn new things, try new music, explore new music. Then only I think the music will develop as a whole, not just as economically, but I think I am not, I'm not the one to say anything about economics here, but in terms of music, I can say that only experimentation, only experimenting and all, it will grow.
Okay, thank you so much. That was lovely talking to you. And with artists like you, we hope that our music or your music can touch globally and we can reach the global reach. We watch your videos a lot also. So how do you feel coming here and presenting yourself on stage?
It was amazing. Thank you so much. You guys also coming here. My English is little bit, you guys know already. Yeah, it was awesome. Thanks to the EYETRIBE, the organizer, EYETRIBE MD, and thank you so much, everyone. And people are enjoying so much. And yes, so many talented artists are there. Sedisuma, the Biras, the Himalaya, and the MAMAI. So people are enjoying. I can see how people are enjoying after a long time. In KOKRAJHAR, it's like beautiful event is happening. So people are enjoying. So I'm so grateful, happy.
So people are enjoying, and how about you? Are you enjoying here?
Yeah, enjoying too much, Yeah. We should understand, like, we should support our local artists. Yeah, I'm enjoying too much here.
Okay. And how do you feel being able to make everyone laugh around you? The people here, they love so much of your comedy and your English, especially most professional.
My English, yeah, so much alphabet problem, grammar problem. So what to say, like, yeah, it's happened like normally. Like, I'm not pretending my English. It's natural. So people are interesting, and I'm giving some what's called rhyming with timing. So with exploring and giving some interesting blogs, interesting explanation while I'm traveling. So people love. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And okay, thank you so much, English Maker. It was a great time talking to you, and I hope you're enjoying here. We are also enjoying a lot. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Da नोंथाङा हाय बे EYETRIBE VERSE आवहाय जे हाय बड'लेण्डआवहाय मा होनलाय for the first time बेखौहाय कन्डाक्ट खालामनाय जादों आरोबा इभेन्टखौ हेल्ड खालामनाय जादों ओमफ्राय नोंथाङा बेवहाय फैनानैहाय नोंनि मा होनोमोनलाय जे मिउजिक भिडिअ बा नों जे क्रिएट खालामदों बेखौहाय बेवहाय लाइभ पारफर्म खालामनानैहाय मारै
जोबोद मोजां नांदों क्राउडआबो जोबोद मोजां बुंनो राव गैया आंबोथ' निउ कामारसो एसे नार्भासबोमोन आं स्टेजाव पारफर्म खालामनाय फार्स्ट टाइम बिदि जादों आरो ओमफ्राय मोजाङानो नांबाय मोजां नांदों जोबोद मोजां नांदों क'क्राझार इज भेरि फाइन
दा गोदान निउ कामार जानाय हिसाबै नोंथांनियाहाय बे मोनसे मिउजिक भिडिअआनो इमान जे सेन्सेसन क्रिएट खालामनानै होबाय यांगस्टार्सफोरनि गेजेरावहाय आरो जे दिनैहाय पारफरमेन्स मा होनलाय पारफर्म खालामखांनायनि उनावहाय इमान अडियन्सफोरनिफ्राय इमान रेसपन्स मोननायनि उनावहाय नोंथाङा लाइक एक्साइटमेन्ट बेखौ एक्सपेक्ट खालामदोंमोन ना एक्सपेक्टेसननि बारा ना खम जादों
आंथ' बिदि एक्सपेक्ट खालायाखैमोन लाइक जोबोर मोजां नांदों आरो मानसिफोरनि बिदि माबाखौ मोननानै आं गिदोंमोनबो लाइक बेखौ रिलिज होबा मानसिफोरा बा मारै मोनगोन माने रिलिज होखांबालाय एक्सपेक्टेसना बायगोन नामा बिदि जादोंमोन आरो खिन्थु मोजाङानो मोनदों आं जोबोर अनसायनाय मोनदों मानसिफोरनि
ओमफ्राय फैगौ बोसोरावहाय जोङो नोंथांनिफ्राय बिदिनो पारफरमेन्सफोर नुनो मोननायनि आरोबाव मिजिंथिनो हाखागोन ने
नुगोन आसा खालामो आंबो नाजाबाय थानोसै बिदिनो हानायमानि बिदिनो नाजालांनोसै
जे फेन्सफ्राहाय बांनायनिफ्राय बांगासिनो दा नोंथाङा बे फेन्सफोरनि माबा सायावहाय माबाफोर बुंनो जुदि गोसो दङब्ला बेवहाय बुंनानै होनो हागोन
फेन्सखौथ' आङो मा होनो फेन्सआनो दा आंनि थाखाय भगबान आरो बेनो बिसोर गैयाबा आंबो गैया बेनो बाखि जेबो गैया बेनो बिसोरो अनसायजासिम आंबो दङ बेनि उनाव गैला आरो बिसोरो जुदि माबाया गैयाबा आंबो गैया बेनो
Hello guys, what's up everyone? My name is Zubida.
everyone hello
So having been here and you have performed as well. So how was your experience in EYETRIBE VERSE here?
My experience, actually the organizers are my friends, so we were like helping them from so many days. Also I got a chance to perform here, so I'm like really glad and I really appreciate them for like giving me a chance to perform here. Yeah, that's it. I'm really great. Yeah, really.
And what do you have to say about the people? About the
people?
Yeah, how they respond to your music and all.
Of course. Like everyone here is like they're so sweet. They have nice vibe. So I really enjoyed their like I really enjoyed the power and like really enjoyed their vibe. Everyone. So yeah, that's it, man.
And what do you have to say about what the future holds? You know?
About the what?
About what the future holds in the music industry of.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay, or
The music
okay, so
industry.
the music.
the Bor music industry is really growing. I wouldn't say it as an industry. Actually, we are independent artists, so the Bor music industry is really growing, and we're also trying our best to like make it international or national, you can say. So we're trying our best, and we have very like precious artists in our Bor industry now. I really appreciate the support to me. I also support them. So if you guys also support them, then they're really gonna grow to like next level.
EYETRIBE VERSE ni babe event ni organizer janai nei hai mare beko organize खालामबोखो बा मा experience लाबोखो बे लामायाव हाय थाबायबोनानै आरो बेखौ हाय आदाया एसे खोन्थानानै होदो
खुलुमबाय so बे दिनैनि बे event जो music festival acoustic live music मोन जों EYETRIBE VERSE खुंदों EYETRIBE VERSE माने जोंनि EYETRIBE होननाय जोङो music community दं लोगोफोरजों ज' खुंनाय ओमफ्राय बिनि थ्रुयै जों खुंदों EYETRIBE VERSE जाहाथे musicनि जोङो focus खालामदों mainly about our BODOLANDनि जाखांफुनाय आर्टिस्टफोरखौ लाबोजोबनानै जेरै दिनैनि EYETRIBE VERSEआव जोङो बड'लेण्डनि जाखांफुनाय आर्टिस्ट बेसेबां दं जों ज' लाबोजोबदों बिदिनो प्रमोट खालामनो हादों जोंनि बड'लेण्ड मिउजिकखौहाय बिराद गोबां सुबुंफोरनि गेजेराव स' बेखौ साननानैनो जोङो बे इभेन्टखौ खुंदों आरोना जाहाथे माने जोंनि बर' लाइमोनफ्राबो जाय मिउजिकआव गोसो दं बिसोरबो एसे हबियैनो मोजाङै खननानै रोजाबलांनानै जाहाथे गिदिर आर्टिस्ट जानो हायो सानसे बेनि थाखाय
आरो दाबोथ' इभेन्टआहाय दाबो सोलिगासिनो जागासिनोआनो दा नोंथांनि नायनाय हिसाबै बा बियो प्रग्रामा माबायदिहाय सोलिगासिनो
स' जोंनि इभेन्टखौ खुंनायावबो जों बहुद खाथि नांदों माने पारमिसनफोरनि गोनांथि जायो बिदियाव पारमिसन सोलाबाय ओमफ्राय जेब्ला खुंदों जोङो खुंनायावबो बिराद खस्थ' नांदों जाहाथे बहुत थाउजेन्डस पिपल दं बिसोरखौ जोङो स्मल ग्रुपआ मेनटेन खालामनो बिराद खस्थ' जायो स' जों खस्थ'यैनोबाबो मेनटेन खालामहोनानै खुंबोबाय दा रायजो राजाफ्रा रंजादों मिउजिकखौ भाइब खालामदों आरो मोजाङैनो एन्जय खालामदों बेनो आरोना आरो जोङो सानदों जाहाथे बे साक्सेसफुल जाबाय फिउचारावबो जोङो आरो बिदिनो मिउजिकनि EYETRIBEनिफ्रायनो जों मिउजिक फेस्टिभेल लाबोबावगोन जाहाथे जों बेलेग स्टेटनिफ्राय आर्टिस्ट लाबोनानै जोंनि बड'लेण्डखौहाय बांसिन प्रमोट खालामनो हागोन आरोना बेखौ नायदों जों
Mongol Bar ni माबा bartender जानानैहाय नोंथाङा खुंबोनायावहाय मा खस्थ' मोनबोदों बा मारै जागायोबा शुरुआत सिगाङावहाय मारैमोन आरो दा मारै थांगासिनो अन्नानै एसे फोरमायदो
आं एक्चुअली बेखौ मावनाय गोबावानो जाबाय एक्चुअलि आङो पार्मानेन्ट बारा मावोथ' ओमफ्राय बेनिफ्रायनो बिदिनो प्राइभेट इभेन्टबो सालायो आं प्राइभेट इभेन्ट मावो बिदिनो ओमफ्राय बेयावबो आं चान्स मोनबाय एज ए मंगल बाराव सालायनो चान्स मोनबाय आं फैदों रेसपन्स मोजां मोनदों सापर्ट खालामदोंबो लकेल मानसिफ्रा सापर्ट खालामदों मोजां मोनदों आरोना
EYETRIBE VERSEआवहाय जोंबो पेलिबार फैनायानो जाहैबाय दा नोंथाङा अर्गानाइजार जानाय हिसाबैहाय मा बुंनो सानो बेयावहाय इभेन्टनि बारै
खुलुमबाय नोंथांमोननिसिम खुलुमनाय जासिहरबाय दिनै जोंनि बेफोरबायदि जोंनि बड'लेण्ड सोहोराव गोबां आर्टिस्टफोर थायो किसुमान माने आर्टिस्टफोर बांद्राय प्लेटफर्म मोना दिनै जोंना बेयाव EYETRIBE स्टुडिअ थेंक्स फर द EYETRIBE स्टुडिअ बिथांमोना जिबायदि अर्गानाइज खालामदों लकेल सिंगारफोरखौ बेफोरबायदि प्लेटफर्म होनानै जों गोजौआव दावगालांबाय थानो थाखाय बिथांमोनखौ जों साहस होनांगौ बेफोरबायदि प्रग्रामखौ जों खुंबाय थानांगौ क'क्राझाराव आंबो फैदों बरपेटा रडनिफ्राय बाक्सानिफ्राय आं फैदों दिनै बिथांमोननि प्रग्रामखौ सापर्ट खालामनो थाखाय दिनै आं मोजां मोनदों बिथांमोननि प्रग्रामा मोजां थांदों बेफोरबायदिनो जाहाथे इन फिउचार जोंखौ गभर्नमेन्टआबो सापर्ट खालामो बेफोरबायदि लकेल आर्टिस्ट इन्डिया आर्टिस्टफोरखौ जाहाथे सापर्ट होयो गभर्नमेन्टआ जोंखौ बेफोरबायदि खालामनानै आवगायलांबाय थानो थाखाय बेखौनो आं गभर्नमेन्टनिसिम खावलायो बेफोरबायदिनो आरो लोगोसे आंबो सासे बरपेटा रडआव जों बाक्सानि बरपेटा रडआव श' अर्गानाइज खालामो बेफोरबायदि जों लकेल आर्टिस्टखौ प्लेटफर्म होयो जाहाथे लकेल आर्टिस्टफोरा प्लेटफर्म मोनबासो बिथांमोना इन्टारनेशनेल नेशनेल लेभेलाव सिनायजागोन डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेभेलाव जोंनि गोबां आर्टिस्ट दङ बिथांमोना दामनो रोंगौ खननो रोंगौ बिथांमोना नाथाय प्लेटफर्म मोना जों दिनै लकेल अर्गानाइजारफोरा जाय बिथांमोना बेफोरबायदि खस्थ' मेहनतजों फैसा थाखा गारनानै श' खालामनानै लकेल आर्टिस्टफोरखौ जाहाथे जिबायदि प्लेटफर्म होदों बिथांमोननि थाखाय थाखाय आङो बिथां अर्गेनाइजारमोननिसिम थेंक इउ स्पेसियलि थेंक इउ फ्रम माय हार्ट बेखौनो आं खावलायो आं स्पेसियेल गभर्नमेन्टखौ खावलायबावो बिथां गभर्नमेन्टआ जाहाथे बेफोरबायदि फिसा फिसा श'आव गभर्नमेन्टआ सापर्ट होयो बेफोरबायदिनो जोंनि जाखांफुनाय आर्टिस्टफोरखौ जौगालांहोयो बर' हारिखौ दावगालांहोबाय थाथों बेखौनो आङो गभर्नमेन्टनिसिम खावलायो